Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your August 2020. Yes, friends, August 2020 pick a card reading. Friends, do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot. Do subscribe, like, and share. If you haven't subscribed, friends, do subscribe. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading, although it is for August, but you can watch it anytime, even after August, to confirm the reading or just to see how things are or take a perspective, you know what, reflecting on your past. You can always watch it anytime. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, friends. Friends, don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. I am very much ahead usually of the readings for months, so yeah, do click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. So let's take a deep breath, and the Hindi version of this reading is coming soon, so don't worry about it, friends. I just wanted to do the English version because I had the time right now, so I'll be uploading all of them very quickly, so don't worry about it. So let's take a deep breath, relax, take a deep breath and relax, and choose option 1, this beautiful pink flower. Option number 2, this beautiful orange flower. Option number 3, this beautiful silver flower. Take a deep breath, think about your month ahead and choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps in the comment section below, so you can directly skip to the number you have chosen. You can also watch the entire video. You can choose more than one pile. Also, friends, the more the merrier, isn't it? Let's quickly see how your August will be. I am super excited. Oh, let's hope August has something good for all of us in the world. And that's our prayer. May August be the most amazing month of this year. I hope that is how it is for every one of you and your family and your friends and your loved ones. For pile number 1, this beautiful pink flower. Let's see what will happen in your August. This is your romance angels. This is the advice for you. Let's see. Your cards are... Okay, can you see the cards? No, I think so now. Better. Your cards are the Page of Cups, the Knight of Cups, the Eight of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Temperance. Very nice, friends. Very, very nice. Wow, the Yin number 2. Treasure Island number 9, and No Place Like Home number 50. Oh my god, friends, oh my god, yes. Definitely August is going to bring you a lot of balance, a lot of happiness. I think you are struggling currently with something like, you know, a relationship, or you feel like life is stuck. You feel like you are missing out on the good things in life, whether it is in work, whether it is in career. You feel like you are not getting what you want, or like right now, you know, not like in August, but right now you are feeling missing out on things. I feel communications are also closed, and the opportunities, whether in love or career, they are not coming your way. You feel that way right now. But the good news is, in August, things are going to get better for you. Things are going to come into balance for you. This is beautiful. I feel you will feel very creative this month. You will also feel very protected, like by the universe, by the spirit. You will also feel a lot of communication, a lot of attention from others, you know, a lot of support. I feel some of you are feeling left out even by friends, like your friends and family don't understand you. I think that's going to change, friends. Either you are going to find some amazing new friends, or your friendships are going to get better, or some new friends are going to come your way. Absolutely. Communications are a big theme. This is your month where your luck changes, This is beautiful. Communications in work and in your career and education are very important, very, very important. And you have the Wheel of Fortune number 10. This is your lucky month, friends. This is your lucky month. Things are going to start changing positively for you, and things will come into balance for you. Things which you were, things you thought you had lost may reappear, and things you thought would never come to you would suddenly appear to you or manifest for you in the month of August. So, friends, if you talk about your love life, I feel you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you both are Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel there is a very loving and caring and sensitive person who is going to offer you love. They may be from your past, they may be your twin flame. If you are single, this is a new person coming into your life. They are going to offer you love, and you both will be very similar. You both are, this is a tender love, this is a caring connection, this is a sweet emotional connection. This is not the connection of the uh, this is your sweetheart connection. You know what I mean? This is like the yin energy is here. This person loves you, you adore them, they love you. This is like, the cutest of couples. And if you are single, this person is a friend. You will start as a friendship with this person, but later on, or you already know this person as a colleague or a senior manager, boss, or if you study with them, they could be your senior or a junior. But in August, things will shift. Things will shift positively, communications will start, things will develop, love will grow. I feel if you already know this person, and things are not, progressing, I think you are not in contact with this person. This could be your twin flame. They were resisting your love, but I feel in June, I think something happened in June that caused a separation between you and this person. But in the August, things will again, you will again have a choice to get back together and bring this connection into balance. There will be communications coming for you. And I feel even if this person is not coming, your desire to find love will be intense. You want to find love. You want that home, no place like home. Some of you are looking for marriage. Some of you are looking for a soulmate. Some of you are looking actually to change your home in August. And even if even if you do not meet this person, something regarding how you can meet them, or how you can get married, settle down, something will clear. Some specific guidance or messages are going to come into August for you, and it's going to change your destiny. These messages, these information, these missing pieces are very important. And I feel some of you could be getting two people in your life, a friend, a soulmate, a lover. It's going to get amazing, friends. It's going to get amazing. If you are married, I see definitely your marriage will be very passionate. There will be more love. Some of you want to have a baby, or you want to have a child. If you already have a child, that child will be very successful in their studies or career. And there may be you may be worried about their job or something, but I think it will really go well. A lot of money is coming towards your child, especially if they are teenagers or working or something like that. Or if you are worried, like what will happen if you are a student, what will happen with your money. Money is coming, friends. Money is coming. I feel in your career you are going to find a lot of supportive people. But you may feel a little very in your career you may feel a little sensitive to people around you. You do not want to work with harsh people. You would prefer to work from home because your office environment may be toxic, or you may be surrounded with people who are gossiping, backbiting. Sorry to say, but some of you may start working from home in August, or you may shift, you may change a job for money's sake, or if you are away from home because of money or because of work issues, you will be able to come towards your home or closer to home. Something like that is there. Definitely money. If you have money worries, it will be resolved. Don't worry. But I feel work wise, you may feel very emotional, very sensitive, and if there are people who are against you or who are not understanding you, you may feel very sensitive towards them. You may feel like, everyone wants to get you at your work, but I think it is because you are very feeling sensitive, so you may have to protect yourself at work. I also feel some sort of a message is going to come your way, and it is an important message. It is a message that you are waiting for. Let me just take a clarify here. Angels, what? Clarify the Eight of Wands. Okay. Angels, clarify. What will happen in August? What news? What messages? I think some of you want to shift home. Oh my god, thank god it didn't go down. It was like, wow, strategy. See, some sort of a strategy, some sort of a plan, or some sort of your next steps are going to be revealed to you in the month of August. Number 21, 31, 25, 28, 29, 22 are important for you. I feel a contract, a deal, a house issue, or maybe a love letter or a message regarding work, career, education, maybe some certificates like degrees or visas. All those things are coming towards you, and you want that. You are really waiting for it. It will change your life. It will be very positive. Let's see what else will happen for you in August, friends. I'm super excited. This is finally a good wow thinking man. Someone is thinking about you, friends. A Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. And number 4 and 6 is here. 4 is about love and marriages, and 6 is spiritual union, loves, twin flames. So yeah, I think there is a chance of someone from your past or some new person who is quite devoted to you, who is very much similar to you, is coming towards you. They could come towards you through work, or they may be a colleague. You may work with them, or a business partner, or they are your friend, or a new lover. Yay. Wow, first chakra, Archangel Michael. Absolutely, friends, you are going to feel sensitive about energies, about negative people in your life. Some of you, sorry to say, friends, but I am actually very honest in my readings. I'm sorry to say that. But some of you could deal with some health issues, maybe some operations or something. Maybe it has to, someone in your family is going through it, like some healing, some health issues. Maybe your sorry friends, someone I feel in your family could be dealing with health issues or something, or you could be dealing with health issues, but I feel you will recover from it because you are very protected by Archangel Michael. You have this armor. Also, you will feel very sensitive, so if people are saying something, you can get acidity, or you feel very sensitive towards people in August. So take care of that. Cut the cords, get some space. Some of you might actually shift into a new house or a home because it will bring you a lot of happiness and joy. And some of you may also shift or relocate into a new relationship or friendship. It will be very happy for you. Let's see. Oh my God. Sorry, friends. Mercury retrograde still hitting us. Let's see your advice card. Ready, set, go. Now is the perfect movement to dive in and embrace your heart's desire. Absolutely, friends. Go for what you wish for. Go for it. And absolutely, this is your month to try something new. And take a leap of faith, even if it is one day at a time. Also, You are ready, you are preparing for this thing. Maybe it's a marriage, maybe it's this new job, or maybe it is like trying something new like swimming, yoga, anything, all anything like that. Maybe you know, some of you may start learning to drive, or you want to learn something, and or something new is coming and you are ready for it. Because I keep seeing this word ready. You are ready, friends, you are ready for it. Don't worry, don't feel so sensitive. Let's see your romance angel's messages. Stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. Ooh la la. Yes, friends, it is time for you to stay positive. And there is a lot. I think you are giving up hope on your love life or your connections or your friendships. I do not think so. You should do that because you should stay positive. A lot of things are going to come your way, and I feel it may not happen exactly in August, but it will start from August. This theme will start from August. I feel this is a long-term theme. Let me just check. Angels, will everything materialize for them in August, or will it be, when will it materialize? This new love. See, within a month, so maybe August till September. See, the sun is shining for you, friends. So yeah, if not in August, in September, within 1 month, 1 year, it is going to be there for you, friends. You are ready, you are on the path. So amazing. Have a happy month. Please do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot. Subscribe, like and share, friends. And do let me know if this reading resonated with you. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. This is Miss Trixie saying bye. Beautiful angels, if you chose option number, sorry friends, if you chose option number 2, this beautiful orange flower, let's see how your month of August will be. And I am super excited. This is your romance angels messages. We're gonna look at them in the end. This is your advice card, and let's see your cards. Ace of Pentacles, the Nine of Pentacles, ooh la la, money is coming. 10 of Wands, the Devil, oh no. The King of Swords, and the Ace of Rods, oh my god. Loyal Heart, number 35. What's going on, pile number 2? What's going on? Serendipity, number 18. I told you, luck and money is coming your way to the sea. Number 7. Very interesting, pile number 2. Your August is going to be extremely beautiful. Let me just see. I feel your August will be very busy, friends. You are going to be extra busy, and you are going to do, a lot of work issues or a lot of responsibilities I see will be on you. I feel you are right now also feeling a lot of responsibilities, like you are tired of something, like you are like, I want this thing to finish. When will my worries end? When will this weight will lift off my shoulders? You are tired. Something is making you feel very tired right now. I think you want some relief, friends. You want some relief and some some happiness in your life. So I see that in August you will be getting a relief. And also, not just that, you will also be getting money your way. A lot of money and lot of luck is coming your way. So you have to stay connected to yourself. So take some time out, because this is a busy month for you. Absolutely, things are going to get crackling for you. Just like this orange, flower you have chosen, things are like, I can see like a fire crackle, like sparkling things coming for you. I definitely see, firstly, let me just cover about work, because I'm getting that, then I'll go into love. I definitely see some of you could be getting a promotion, or could be starting something new like a YouTube channel, or maybe a freelancing business, or something, your own boutique, or you may start learning like, some new technology, IT or something, and or maybe chef making, food making, textiles or something, drawing, painting, and or even if not, you may be doing your own work, but something will happen which will bring you more money in your work. It will bring you a lot of money, and it will bring you in August a lot of exposure. I see a lot of exposure coming towards you in the month of August. A lot of people want to know you. If you are in business, a lot of clients or customers are coming. If you are in office, a lot of money, a lot of new projects, a lot of support is coming. If you are a student, news or money from long distance is coming, from other cities, other countries. But they may be situated in other country, but I feel like they will pay you and get the work done online. But money is coming your way, friends, absolutely. And you will be working hard. I see you working 24/7. Sorry to say that, but yes, you are going to work yourself a lot in, but you are going to get a lot of money also in August. Or at least you will feel a connection, that yes, you may start working on a project. The payment may come at by the end of the month, but yeah, you will feel like yes, finally things are within your reach. Your goals, your desires are approachable. They are, within your reach. You can at least, you will feel that reassurance that yeah, you can achieve those things you desire, or you can buy the things you want. Whew, let's see in love. I see definitely a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important for you in August, friends. Absolutely. You are going to feel very sure about what you want in love. Pile number 2 in August. You are very sure what you want. I feel like an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person and someone that is your age will be coming towards you. I also feel a new person, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or you could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or fire or earth signs also. I feel there is another new person also coming your way. They are younger or slightly younger than you, or slightly like more youthful looking. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. I also feel there is a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person near you. I feel like there is an ending. If you haven't had a breakup yet, or if you haven't had an ending, I'm sorry to say this, but I have to be honest as I see it. I see that there has been an ending in a relationship. It might, if it has not happened, it may happen in the month of August. This ending or a relationship may get tested, because we have the devil and the 10 of wands. So a relationship, if you are already in a relationship, it can get tested, friends. Your patience or their patience, because you are very busy at work, or they might also be busy at work. So both of you, your patience will be tested, how much they want to put in the effort or not. But I also feel there will be another person coming your way quite by chance, an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, and you don't know this person yet. And this is by destiny bringing you both together. This is serendipity, you meeting them quite by chance. You went out to the market and this person is also there, and you are like, what happened? And you bump into them. I suggest you to watch, because I think you might also be free. So go and watch the movie Serendipity. You can get the titles in Hindi or any language that you want. I think subtitles will be there, so you won't have any problem. It's a beautiful movie. Go and watch it. I think it's very essential for you. I also feel you are dealing with a twin flame connection. They are missing you. They are absolutely missing you in August. This person is not happy without you. Number 7, this person feels isolated. They want to come towards you, and there is a strong chance they will make a move towards you. They have a loyal heart for you. Number 35, oh my god, this person is totally in love with you. Number 18, 7, 11, 11, number 1, 12, 13 are important for you. I also feel 23, 25 are important. So I feel like there are many energies. If you are single, there are a few new people coming your way. So people from your work, people from people that you meet online, there are new people coming your way. Some of them are very serious about you, some of them are actually obsessing about you, and some of them you have ended things with, like from your past they are coming. And if you are if you are in a relationship already, your relationship can get tested. But I also see that they have a loyal heart towards you, so nothing is things will get better for you. So it's like the test won't affect you that much. In fact, your relationship will become more passionate. I also see for 50% of you, you will be letting go, finally, completely letting go of an old connection and moving into a new one without knowing. And just like that, you will just effortlessly, without knowing also when this connection starts, you will go into it. It's amazing, friends. It's beautiful. I feel what you will be working very hard. You will be very connected with your money, your creativity, and with your. You'll be very clear, pile number 2, what you want in August. Regarding work, in love, what you want, you'll be very clear. You'll be very confident and bold also about it. And people are going to fall for you. Oh my God, the thinking women. This is interesting. I think you should see the pile number 1 because there was a thinking man there. So maybe you were confused between 1 and 2. So might as well check that. Number 47. Definitely I see you obsessing about someone, or someone is obsessing about you in the month of August. I also see you gaining a lot of new knowledge. You will be learning, or if you have already, you will be putting something already, something, you will be using it for making money in the month of August. Or someone will come towards you with an idea, like, see, this, can you do this for me, like, type something for me, can you teach my kid, can you teach me this, and it will actually pay you something. So my God, money is coming from everywhere for you, and so is love. What will happen in August? What will happen in August for pile number 2? Wow, strategy. I think, yes, big dreams are coming your way, friends. Big dreams are coming. Again, see, money is very important to you. I feel this is not just about money. I also see number 3121 is important. I see that someone is going to value you. You want someone who values you. Whether it is in love, marriage, or whatever, someone is going to come who will value you. In the month of August. I don't know why I got November. Maybe there is someone coming towards you which is born in November. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Sagittarius could be born in November. So yeah, someone is going to value you, and you also will know your value. So you'll be very bold. Strategy, you'll be very clear in what you want and how you want, and you are going to attract. I feel some of you are trying to manifest love. It's coming. You also have again a money card, friends. Lot of money is coming your way. A woman holding a coin, door to value. Even if a lot of money is not coming, you will be thinking about money, prosperity, long-term happiness, all those things. Or maybe a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, which is also a money sign, so they could be coming towards you. Let's see your advice for the month. Make a decision. Feeling stuck or indecisive, listen to your intuition. Make a decision. Absolutely, friends, your intuition will be very strong, but you might obsess about someone or some issues in life, so you need to make a decision. You will have choices. As I told you, in love there will be choices, but it is up to you what you decide. You want to accept new person, you want to let go of the old one, or accept the old one. There is a loyal heart for you. Someone is coming, a true soulmate. There is a destined connection for you, and money coming for you, but it will have a chance. There will be this option of risk, destiny. You will have to take your chance on it. Even with work, I see a lot of money, but it will be out of your comfort zone. I don't know how to say it. Like someone will say, like, do this for me, and they will pay you, but you may not say yes to it because you have never done that thing before. But you can say them, yes, if you do, it will be lucky. Like someone new comes your way, you may not say yes to them, but if you do, things can go a long way, right? So let's see your advice. Romance angels messages. Let go of control issues. Allow the situation to unfold naturally. Yes, absolutely. I think you are obsessing about your love life a lot. So it's time to relax, or maybe you're obsessed about your past or what happened in the past or why you haven't met the person yet. I think it's time to just let go and enjoy life, because a lot of luck is coming your way, friends, and a lot of decisions. It's going to be an absolutely busy month for you. So, yeah, let go of control issues and enjoy this loyal heart, this amazing money coming your way and connections coming your way. That's it for now, friends. Do subscribe, Magic Vans Tarot, friends. And before I end, I don't know, I keep getting a song. Um, I keep getting a song. I don't know which song is it. Angels, can you tell me which song is it? It's like the dollar song. I don't know. I will have to search. It's an English song which I'm getting. It's about money, but it's about self-worth. I will add in the description box if I find the song, the dollar song, or it's about some song about self-worth, you know. So yeah, a lot of happy things are coming your way. It's a busy month, friends. Do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share. And friends, do join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, if you chose option number 3, this beautiful silver flower, let's see how your month of August will be. I'm super excited. I will be doing more charms reading for August. Stay tuned. Do subscribe our channel. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. This is the initial first of the August readings. This is your romance angels. This is the advice for the month. Let us see what your cards are. Oh my god, you have 2 advice cards. Ooh, lucky, lucky. The Lovers. The 9 of Cups. No wonder I started to feel happy when I picked your pile. And the 5 of Cups. The 2 of Swords. The 6 of Wands. Judgment. Ooh. The Fate. Number 17. Blessed. Number 22. Come to the Edge. Number 36. Wow, this is beautiful, friends. I feel you are currently feeling a little disappointed. You are feeling like things are not going your way. I feel like it's like you feel you have lost hope about something, about love, about finding that job or that career. You are missing someone. Maybe it's your family members, maybe it is your loved ones, your lover, your twin flame. You are disappointed. You are feeling like, oh my god, things will never get back again. I will not be happy ever again. Why are you thinking this way? I think you are missing someone which is at a distance from you, and you are not in contact with them. You had a fight with this person or they fought with you, and things are at, you are not in contact. No one is talking with each other. But I feel, let's see first overall energy overall energy for August. I feel this month you will find a wish coming true, and it will surprise you, because you are feeling a little, you start the month of August, or even right now, you feel very disheartened, hopeless. You feel rejected, or you feel like life is never going to get better. Everything is out of reach. But in August, some wish will come true for you, and it will make you very happy. And you also have the blessed card number 222. So definitely some wish or some form of happiness or reassurance, or your some sort of happiness is definitely going to come your way, which will make you feel like, yes, I am on the right path, I am blessed, I am supported, and I can achieve what I want. So this is absolutely brilliant. And this is also the Fates card. So you are destined for something which is destined for you is going to come to your way in the month of August. And no wonder you chose this beautiful silver star. Silver is like this color of the stars in the sky, wishes coming true. So absolutely, friends, I think for some of you it is a love wish that will be fulfilled. For others it is regarding work or education. Let's see. I feel in August you may face some problems, like you will have some tough time making decisions or seeing things clearly. It is like, You may feel stuck a little, like, oh, why is this August also slow? Half the year is gone. Why is August slow? So, in the starting weeks, you may feel a little frustrated and edgy, like, oh, I just want things to move ahead. And you may also feel confused regarding a past relationship or a past heartache or maybe work situation. You may feel a little stuck. Let me just clarify. Yeah, see, Archangel Samuel, definitely. Number third chakra, power issues, power struggles, and not feeling confident, not feeling bold. So you may feel a little shaky when you start the month of August, like, oh, why is this slow? Why am I not getting? So you will not, I think there are a lot of blessings coming your way right now also, but you are not seeing them. You know this, you're why you are wearing a mask on your eye, you have to wear it on your mouth, friends. So it's like you are blindfolded. You are stuck because of some past situation or a decision. It's time, to focus on yourself, focus on Archangel Samuel or on love. Let's see what else. I see, definitely. Let's talk about love. I see that definitely someone from your past could be coming back, or some form of justice is going to happen in a past connection, or a breakup, or some sort of a situation. You feel like something unfair happened and this was not destined for you. So, yes, justice is going to happen. Someone may apologize, or some clarity regarding that situation will come towards you. So, justice is going to happen in your relationship. Maybe that person who left you for some third party, or maybe a twin flame who is not talking to you, a lover, or ex husband wife, or a current husband wife, they are going to come towards you and express their love, and they will share how much they miss you. So, this will make you very happy. This will make you feel like, yeah, finally, see who is the boss. Look at me. So you start the month feeling a little unhappy, but you end the month feeling like, yeah, I'm the boss, I'm the boss, I'm the boss. Oh, there's a song also like that. I don't remember. Tell me if you remember the song. I think it's from the SRK movie. Which one was it? I'm the boss, I'm the boss. I don't know, I don't know. I keep getting songs when I'm doing these readings. So I feel like some sort of a justice is going to happen, friends. I think if you are very, very single, you may meet a very sexy, a very steamy connection, and it will be out of the blue, but it is destined to come your way. But it will only happen when you feel that you are ready for new love, and when you try to talk to new people, and you believe that yes, you can attract this love. If you do not do that, I do not see you moving into this new relationship or finding this person. So sorry to say that, friends, but you have to stay positive to attract this new lover, especially if you are single. You also will have to, I think your friends may have a birthday, or you may have a birthday in August, so go out and celebrate, or your lover has their birthday, so take a chance and wish them. Who knows what will happen? So I feel like a wish coming true, a celebration, a happiness, and a gathering of friends, or a very steamy date coming for you, friends. Absolutely steaming hot. I can't say anything here. You let me know the secrets. And I also feel if you are married, definitely your connection, your marriage will become more passionate. Uh, but you will also, but it will be like, it will be a happy and sad, it will be a very happy month, and also it will be a little sad, like you will feel like something is missing from your marriage. Maybe children are not there, or you miss your family, or maybe your husband or wife is at a distant city or country, so you miss them. But something will happen that will make you feel happy and relieved. And if you are waiting for someone from the past, I definitely feel some justice will come. I also feel there is a lot of attraction. They could be your twin flame. They are destined for you. You are fated for this connection. You both are. Or you may be questioning why something happened in the past, because it was destined, friends. It was destiny. Something has to happen. And I definitely see that you are very blessed in the month of August. A lot of blessings are coming, or you will recognize your blessings, that how grateful, how blessed you are in the month of August or in life in general. Let's talk about work. Wow, I see that in work you are currently not feeling very passionate or connected with your work. You are also confused about your education or work. Should you stay? Should you change? Whatever you need to do. You are a little confused, but I think you are going to feel more connected and more attracted towards your love in the month of August. Also, I feel some message or some news, like, some piece of information you need, like that degree, that certification. If you are doing a certificate course, that will come towards you. Maybe you will get promoted to a new class or a new project. So it will bring you joy, it will bring you happiness. It's like, yay, it's destined for you, you are blessed, and it's success for you. So I see that when you start the month you will feel a little shaky, little unhappy, but then you will get very connected to passions, to your work, to people around you, a lot of attraction and a lot of happiness, maybe socializing or meeting new friends or making new friends. Messages and information, like if you are looking for permits, work permit, graduations, or permits, like degrees or orders. How do I say? Like you are waiting for some that degree certification or something to happen. It will come and you're gonna feel very excited, very happy, on top of the world, coming to the edge. I definitely feel something is testing your patience, number 36. It's like you are, oh my god, I have waited and waited. When are things going to move forward? When will my wishes come true? Yes, in the month of August they are going to come true. Let's see what else will happen in the month of August. Ooh, I saw the patience. Which card was it? I saw one card, adjacent opportunities. So yeah, see, you are feeling unhappy because you are not seeing, you see only two options in your life, like the past and the current one. But no, I think there are more opportunities coming your way, both in love, work, and also in education. So keep your eyes open, friends. Keep your eyes open. Don't limit yourself. I see that you are trying to limit yourself. Don't do that, don't do that. You be bold, be confident. And and Archangel Raphael card dropped down. Let me just pick it up. Man holding a coin. Friends, definitely a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person could be coming your way. I also feel a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person will be important to you. Someone, this is like you valuing yourself, and others will also be valuing you. Let's see what else. What else will happen in the month of August? Wow, door to value. See, again, money is coming your way, news is coming, new doors are opening for you. And I think this, you should keep your eyes open. You can't see them right now. Even I heard like some of you are saying, nah, it won't happen for me. Magic says this all the time. It won't happen. Yeah, if you believe this won't happen, it won't happen, friends. Trust me. Because you have the Archangel Shamuel. If you doubt it, it won't happen. If you don't do anything, it won't happen. But if you take some chance, if you believe, if you go out and meet some new people, it is definitely going to happen, because there are adjacent possibilities coming your way, and money is coming your way, and someone has their eye on you. Someone very steamy, someone very sexy. This could be like a sexual attraction or something, but they have their eye on you. This person is, yeah, even here they are fixated, here also they are fixated. It could be you. If you are, you may have a crush. Oh my god, angel of love. I have goosebumps. Yes, friends, definitely a very strong sexual connection, or a very strong connection, intense connection is coming your way. Or even if not, you will feel very connected with someone spiritually, telepathically, or in reality. Someone has their eye on you. They see like you are an angel in their life. They want to know you. They want to spend all their money, their time, their attention on you. So don't get stuck in the past, baby. Sorry for the singing, friends. I can't actually sing songs, so I'm singing words, sentences. Let's see the advice. Break free, try again, friends. See, try different ventures, experiences as a way to grow and learn. So I told you this thing, you have to try new things. If you keep thinking about why it didn't worked out in the past, or if you keep stuck in the past, it will not happen. These new things, this wish come true, this new person, this angel of love, this money. If you do not choose this adjacent possibilities, try, break out, break free. Protection, you are safe. I think some of you are worried. Will you be protected? Yes, there are two confirmations. Blessed. You are protected. You and your loved ones are very much protected and surrounded with heaven, and even your possessions. Your loved ones and your possessions like house, money, car are safe and protected by heaven. Let's see your romance angels messages. Heart to heart conversations. Honestly discuss your feelings with each other. Ooh, mama. I think August is going to be a super passionate month for you. Someone has their eye on you, or you have a crush on someone, and you are going to pursue them, and or they are going to come and talk to you. It's gonna make you very happy. Oh my god, friends, I'm super excited for you. And do subscribe, Magic Wednesday Tarot. And if you don't subscribe now, when will you subscribe? It's August 2020, so subscribe before it's too late. Subscribe and join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwednestarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye.